Hello friends, welcome to Imperial CAD system. In this video, we are going to see why we need to use the limits option in AutoCAD. See, the command limits. I enter LIMITS limits. Then, it is asking specify lower left corner. By default, lower left corner will be 0, 0, 0, 0, I enter. Then it is asking specify upper right corner. Upper right corner depends upon the drawing. Right now it is in 420 by 297. That means x distance 420 and y distance is 297. Upper right corner is this one. So I go for enter. If it is at 420 comma 297, then you can easily draw up to 300 mm line, 300 length. Of course you can draw more than 300, but it sets at the middle of the screen. 300, I go for some width 200, horizontally some 200, C enter, like this. Right now it is in drawing limits of some 300, 400 comma 300. See, for example, if we have a drawing over here, its length is only 4.25 mm. The same length if I give in the screen 4.25 is a very smaller. So for such kind of a drawings, we have to set the limits. According to the limits we have to work. I delete all the profiles. Then to create this drawing, maximum dimension is 5.5. So we have to set our screen according to the drawing limits. Go for limits, enter. Lower left corner, let it be 0, 0, enter. Then upper right corner, I give 5, 5, enter. See, just giving upper right corner and lower right corner in limits option, the screen will not set. See, same, I draw 4.5 distance line, then it's showing very small. Of course you can zoom and work. You see, you can zoom and you can work. See, some randomly I give 5, some dimension of 4, C enter. But when you go for a zoom all option, Z enter, A enter. Whenever you go for zoom, enter, A enter, Z enter, A enter, then it goes to its limits. See, we have given limits of 5, 5. Then why it is showing in a smaller size? See, simply giving limits is not enough. See, 4.5. See, simply giving limits is not enough. After giving limits, see, LIMITS enter, 0, 0. Now the upper right corner is set to 5, 5 only. After that you have to go for a command zoom all, Z enter, A enter. Now you see 4.5 distance, then 4, 5.5, 2, 4, 5.5, Control Z, it is not properly in horizontal position, 5.5, 2, C enter, like this. Then even though if you zoom the screen, then it will be in correct limit. So first we need to give limits, set lower left corner to 0, 0, then upper right corner according to our drawing. Then the drawing will be at the will set to the screen. You may think that we can zoom that and we can work now. Say suppose for example I go for a new file. Okay, I didn't set the limits. See, in this drawing, see, one dia circle and 2 dia circle is there. So in CAD, in new file, I create one dia circle 0.5 radius. See, as we didn't set the limits to the screen according to the drawing. Okay, it is seeing very small. Then when you zoom that and when you work, see, circle looks like a polygon type. Okay, so this happens if you won't set limits. Of course, if you zoom the line, then it will look like a line only. But if you zoom arc, curves, circles, then it looks like a hexagon. Of course, we have a command to set the shape, the form, by giving regeneration command, but every time you have to do that. When you open a file again, then circular shape look like a polygon. Every time we have to repeatedly we have to give regeneration option. Instead of that, set the limits right at the beginning of the drawing. LIMITS limits, let it be 0 comma 0 lower left corner, upper right corner, some 5 comma 5, enter. After that, Z enter, A enter, zoom all. Then I create the same circle, 0.5 radius, then it sets to the screen. Again circle, 1 radius, like this. Like this, friends, we have to give limits before starting any drawing in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos on AutoCAD, CATIA, Unigraphics, SolidWorks, please subscribe to our channel Imperial CAD Systems. Thank you.